What you spraying, Wicky?
Spraying a little bit of this rubber sound damper. The original
Boom mat.
boom mat.
That stuff smells pretty good.
Yeah, it smells not bad at all. And it's kind of interesting. If you go to their website, they got a pretty interesting little demo where they spray some of this stuff on some drum cymbals and demonstrate the sound dampening capability of it. So, GM did spray the inside of these with some kind of goop like this. I'm guessing it probably wasn't the same thing in 1969, but it's a pretty close match. The only complaint I have about this product so far is they give you this nifty little spray extension, which would be kind of nice, except for the fact that it's exactly the same size as the little hole it's supposed to go into, and so it had no worky.
Yay!
A longer one of these would be helpful too, but
even though this is sold by Eastwood, it's not an Eastwood product, so
yeah, it's not an Eastwood product.
we give them a pass.
I'll give them a pass. It does seem like it goes on very well. Smells pretty good.
Every bit of paint or anything aerosol you've gotten from Eastwood has smelled pretty good.
Yeah.
Damn. Wick's on the job.